students. Today we are going to learn about the land use or how the land is distributed. Let us see. About 1/10 of the world's land is arable. Means what I mean by arable? Arable means suitable for growing crops. See, among the total quantity of land, only 1/10 of the land is fit for use or suitable for growing crops or arable land. And see, and less than, among this land, less than 1/3 is under forest. And see, about 1/4 comprises pastures, and the rest is either used for other purposes or is unproductive, or the rest of the land, some part is kept as unproductive and some part of such land is kept as or used as other purposes or used for other purposes. And see, on the basis of ownership, land can be broadly classified as private land and community land. Or see the two classifications of land, private land and community land. And the name itself, it is the meaning also is clear. And see, private land is owned and used by a person or a group. See, private land is owned by a person or a group. And let us see, on the other hand, community land is owned by a group of people or a whole community. Community land is also called common property. It cannot be owned by a single person, and it includes forests, pastures, parks, roads, etc. This community land includes forests, parks or roads, etc. Now see the soil resources. Now we can see the soil resources. See, we know that soil forms the upper layer of the earth's crust. Soil forms the upper layer of the earth's crust, and it is made up of loose rock fragments, or the soil is made up of loose rock fragments and organic matter. And see, most food items like rice, wheat or pulses, fruits and vegetables are obtained from plants that grow on. Means different food items we get from the plants, and the plants grow on soil. And see, soil also sustains forests which give us firewood and number of number of items we are getting from forest, timber and see on land other things, other types of trees are also there, rubber plants or different fibers, or in other words, different types of plants are growing on soil. And see, and from forest also we are getting a lot of resources. And see, soil is formed when rocks broken up into fine powder by weathering and erosion. It mixed with organic matter. And see, the uppermost layer of soil or the top soil is fine, or the uppermost layer or the top soil is fine, and it has a lot of humus or organic matter is mixed in it or in the upper layer of the soil. It is fit for growing of plants, and many humus or the lot of organic matter also or partly decomposed plant and animal remains are also found in such type of soil. And under this layer lies the subsoil. Under this layer lies the subsoil. See, among this we can understand, among all this we can understand that soil is very important for the growing of different plants and for our existence also. This such type of land or soil is very needed. Okay, the remaining part we can learn in the next class.